feels so good to be back and vlogging. I've been taking a little bit of a social media break due to everything going on around the world. A ton of you guys have been asking me when I'm going to be posting again, and I think the last thing I wanted was to be a distraction to such an important moment that's happening in history in this world right now, which is the Black Lives Matter movement. I think that should remain as everyone's main focus right now. But I do miss sharing my life with you guys, and a ton of you guys have been asking me when I'm posting again. So I thought I would just vlog this week, show you guys everything I get up to, and hopefully bring a little bit of positivity. So as you guys can probably already tell by the title, this week is going to be the beginning of my health journey. I've never made a video like this. I've done like what I eat in a day videos and workout routines, but I feel like making this video is like dedicating myself to finding the best possible way for my health journey to start, if that makes sense. Basically, since, I mean, honestly, before quarantine, I work out every day. I love working out, but I usually always just get on the treadmill and run a couple miles, and then that's pretty much it. I think obviously running is great and it keeps you healthy, but I kind of just want to go and do more and push myself to do more. I feel like, I don't know, I've gone through a realization almost. I was thinking that I'm 20 years old, and I think it's time that I find like what ways work best for me. Not so much even losing weight, but even just finding like the healthy lifestyle. Also, I just want to say a side note, I am so content with my body. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. I just realized that I'm not feeling my best. I'm not my healthiest self, and I'm also not my happiest version of myself. And so I think that's what I want to try. That's my main goal, to become my happiest and healthiest self. My goals that I'm setting for myself in this health journey are that I want to try and eat 5 meals a day. So basically I'll have breakfast, maybe I'll work out and then have a protein shake, and then I'll have lunch, another snack, and then dinner. So 5 meals. And I don't want to make this a diet. I want to make it a lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle that I can actually do when I'm at school, that I can do for my whole life. Also, just want to say I'm not a dietitian. I am not certified. I'm none of the above, but I am just trying to find what works best for my body type. And maybe I'll find out that the 5 meals a day doesn't work best for my body type, and I'll just, it's kind of like a trial and error type of thing. And I thought I would just bring you guys along with me and show you my health journey. Another thing I'm going to try and do in this health journey is go dairy free. I personally realized in the past that my stomach does not react well with dairy. It's not really for losing weight or anything like that. I think it's just, again, being my healthiest version of myself. And so I really want to try and drink only almond and oat milk. That's the goal. I think the biggest challenge I'm going to face in this health journey is not putting creamer in my coffee. And again, I also just want to say, if something works personally for me, it may not personally work for you, and vice versa. And so I just want to make that clear, because I don't want you guys to think I'm telling you like eat this and then you'll lose 5 pounds, or work out like this and then you'll look amazing, because maybe it, like, everyone has a different body type, you know what I mean? And I know this is kind of a touchy subject, so I think that's why I'm being overly cautious about it. But I do just want to share my health journey with you guys. I feel like it'll be fun and also interesting to see like the before and afters. But anyways, I think right now I'm gonna do a workout. I think I'm gonna do 30 minutes on the treadmill, running, probably like walking last mile, maybe just getting a walk in, and then do a full body workout, which I'll show you guys. So yeah, let's do it.
How are you? It's Paige and Lincoln. Be hitting a little bit of everything today. It's our
legs
final workout before I go to Texas.
I know, we gotta get the last workout in. Also, side note, we've both been quarantining on our own, so it's totally safe, and I just want to say that as a side note.
Let's get this workout in. So for our second exercise, we're gonna be doing squats. We're gonna be squatting for 5 minutes straight.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a challenge.
Okay, let's do it.
Guys, it's 100 degrees out here. She's doing this in sweats.
I know.
So our next exercise is gonna be just lunges. Some
This one's a good one. It's one of my favorites.
So we'll go right here.
Yeah.
This way until failure. So that'll be our
Until failure, which is basically 4 reps of 15.
With some calf raises. And this is Paige's favorite exercise. Look at her go. Paige is out here killing it. She's dead.
Okay, we just finished the workout. Lincoln kicked my butt. It was a really good workout. We worked out for like an hour.
About an hour.
Did legs, booty, whole deal. Okay, so I'm back home. It's around like 6 o'clock right now. I just picked up some dinner from ep.1, which is a grocery store in LA. Just got some grilled salmon, some vegan buffalo cauliflower, which is so good, and then I also just got some string beans and mushrooms. But yeah, that's dinner. Okay, update. It's around 9 o'clock right now. I am so tired. It's not even funny. You know it's a good workout when you're ready to fall asleep at 9 o'clock at night. But right now I'm just having a cup of tea. I'm also snacking on some chocolate covered almonds. These are my favorite dessert for at night, just because I mean I don't really have the biggest sweet tooth, but when I am craving, I usually always crave something to eat at night. So these are really good, and they're pretty healthy too, actually. I'll put a picture of the ones that I usually get up here. But I'm exhausted, so I'm probably just gonna head to bed, and that's pretty much it for my night. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
Followed by.
Morning, everybody. It's a little bit on the earlier side. It's around almost 9 o'clock right now. I have a workout in a little bit, so I'm eating a little bit of breakfast right now. My mom made me some oatmeal. But what's in here? Like 1 cup of gluten-free rolled oats, water. Did you use any almond milk?
I used no almond milk. I used water. I used rolled oats that were gluten-free. I used a Fuji apple cut up and a little bit of cinnamon.
And then I also put a little bit of raspberry on top. So good. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this before my workout. Okay, I just finished with my workout. It was so hard. Back home right now, but I was sipping on a protein shake. I just finished it. It basically only had 1 scoop of protein powder, a couple ounces of water, and a lot of ice cubes. I'm gonna go inside and shower, and yeah. Okay, update. I just got out of the shower and just threw on some comfy clothes, basically my pajamas. Just super chill and casual. This top is from Brittany Melville. I want to say I got it years ago. And then I'm wearing these pants off of Revolve. I don't know the exact brand name, but I got them off Revolve. I'll link them down below for you guys. But they're the comfiest pajama pants of all time. And they also come with a matching top, I want to say. It's been almost 2 hours since I had my protein shake after my workout. So I'm going to go make some lunch, and I'll show you guys what I make. Okay, so this has been one of my go-to lunches lately. I got these fresh jicama tortillas from Whole Foods. This is what they look like. They're so good. They're really like refreshing and crunchy. So I'm probably just gonna have like 2 of these. And actually this one's broken, so I'm gonna just have a 3rd one. I also have some fresh turkey that I'm gonna use, and I'll probably just put like 1 slice on each of these, and then also a little bit of avocado and some lemon. A little bit of salt on top. A little bit of lemon. And that is lunch. So it doesn't look the prettiest, but it's really yummy and also healthy for you. You have all your healthy fats, protein, and again, low carb. So good. Also, side note, I've been drinking a ton of water. I usually try and drink around like 6 of these a day, which is almost like 1.5 gallons. Super important to stay hydrated, and that's like one of my biggest goals through this health journey is staying hydrated and drinking tons of water. I just woke up a little bit ago. I'm feeling a little bit more tired than usual this morning. Maybe just because it's Sunday. But I think I'm gonna go make myself a cup of matcha right now. And I'll probably get a workout in right after. And yeah, so let's go do that. Okay, just did exactly 1 hour on the treadmill. Today I ran 3 miles and then I walked the other 2 and then a little bit extra. I also don't do this every day, so don't think I'm on the treadmill an hour every single day. Definitely don't do that. Today I just decided to do a little bit extra cardio. Also, look how sweaty I am. Such a good workout. Okay, update. We are about to go to the farmer's market right now. We haven't been in seriously so long. What's it been, like 4 months? Something like that since quarantine started. I'm so excited to be finally going. So yeah, let's do it. Hi, Mama. Hi. We just picked up this trail mix. It looks so good. We also got some fresh peaches and plums. This is the best peanut butter I've ever had. Oh my gosh, this is so good. They're like little mini protein balls, basically. We got the goods. So excited to eat everything. It's crazy when you start eating healthy. You just like find all this healthy, like very natural foods that just make you excited. Just excited for these. How amazing do these look? Like, these are the perfect things if you have a sweet tooth at night. Okay, just finished editing this video and realized I forgot to do an outro. But I just wanted to come on here and say I hope you guys enjoyed episode 1 of my health journey. I totally have a long ways to go, but I just thought it would be fun to film it for you guys from start to finish. Also, this is the motivation you need to start your health journey with me, and we'll do it together. If you guys fell off track in quarantine, or if you just want a fresh start like me, come and join. These hearts also are going a little crazy right now. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do. This is the longest I haven't posted on YouTube, so it just feels so good to be posting again. Just getting back on track. I want to start posting once a week again, even twice a week. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a huge like if you did. Comment and subscribe down below. It means so much to me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
This is my first time on the vlog.
I know, I'm excited.
I know, I'm a little nervous.
My room is a mess. Sorry.
Nice to control. Best set.
My mom is not as excited as I am, clearly. Hi, Astro.
Yes, Paige.